Hey guys, in this video we'll learn together how to change favicon of our website. So what do I mean with that? How to change this favicon here. If you want to grab the code, click on the GitHub link in the description, click on the code here and download it as a zip, and then you will have the code. Now let's get started. We'll start with this empty body index.html. As you see, it's empty, that's why we are seeing nothing here when we are rendering. Let's change the title to Tate. As you see, the title is changed here. The second thing that we want to do is to change the favicon. To do that, we'll use the link tag, but instead of the rel should be icon instead of tile sheet. The type should be image/x-icon. And now we want to grab the reference. In my case, I've already prepared the image. As you see, this is the image, which will be our favicon. So to do that, we are going to call it here. So point dash, that means in this directory, and then we choose tate.png. Now if we check, as you see, the big top G Tate is our favicon. And with that, you've learned now how to use link tag and leverage it to change your favicon. Don't forget to subscribe to be a better coder. Here's your Jad. See you.